Hi, you guys. We are up off of the Highway 204 in the Umatilla Forest. And it's a national forest, so you can camp here for free. I just want to show you this view. We were up here looking to see if we could find some mushrooms and stuff, but we're a little late. And we didn't find any, but we're going to barbecue some sausage dogs, I think it is, and relax and enjoy our friends and this view. And look at all of these wildflowers. Look at that. Got these beautiful. Got this Indian paintbrush over here. I think that's what it is. I don't know. I'll show you. Look at that. Deer prints. Looks like pretty big. Might be elk, actually. Look at those. And see, oh, look at this. Okay. It's kind of shading down there, so it's kind of hard to see. Let's see, I'll get a little closer. Look at that. Let's see, oops, sorry. Let's see, look at this. Oh, look at these. These are cute. I don't get, this is one kind of blurry. Let's see if I can get that one. Oh, I can't get those very good. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? It's the Umatilla Forest outside of Weston, Oregon. Yeah, National Forest here. Looks like the edge of the world over there in Arizona I've been on almost, doesn't it? It goes a lot more straight down, but it's kind of getting... Man, those are some big... That must be elk. Those are pretty big prints. Must have been pretty good, soggy here. Look at that. Those are big. Like this one right here. That's gotta be a big old elk or something. See that? Beautiful, isn't it? Hear the crickets? They're singing us a song. This is life. Getting to experience this beautiful country of ours. Tell me if you see Bigfoot in the background, because that'd be cool. They say he's been sighted up here, so you never know. Beautiful. Wow, that's a long ways down. Let's see. Yeah, look at those. That's pretty big prints there. Yeah, I'm thinking pretty big. Must be big big buck or maybe some milk. Oh, look at this flower. Where's it? It's pretty. Oops. It's pretty. Oops. Here's another one. It's so much more purple in real life. Tinkerbell's not happy because I'm down here. I'm coming, silly girl. Look at those flowers. This is June 2nd. Oh, wow. Look how big that one is. Look at that. Wow. Some big prints there. I'm thinking elk, maybe. I don't know. I don't know. Tell me what you think. Look at that. Just beautiful. Climbing back up the hill. There's these little white ones here too. Wow. All those pretty yellow ones over there. Look at these. Oh, big old bumblebee. He's getting some pollen. No. Not for dogs. Right now I'm getting a bumblebee. I haven't seen a bumblebee in a long time. And he's just having a heyday on these flowers. Getting lots of pollen. Oh, look at that. Kim's got the fire going. Say hi, Kim.
Hi.
Is she already wrapped? And somebody stacked the rocks in the tree instead of on the ground. See that? Yeah, they did it in this tree over here too. Look at this. This is a big. Look at that. on.
No. Never thought of that.
All right.
What's at the bottom?
That's our friend Paul. And of course there's Kim's truck that's been taking us on all our adventures lately. So you guys have a great day because you know you can explore everything. Peace.